everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for April 14th through April 20th. It's going to be an okay week. Not really anything super exciting, but you know, they might surprise us with some stuff that we don't know about. But I do see a lot of deals on the front page right here. So here we got deals of the week. There is going to be a digital coupon for $1 for the Purex or Purex crystals. So they're going to be $1.99, and then there's an online coupon for $1, making them 99 cents. Now usually with digital coupons you can only use them once, so it's up to you guys if you want to do that deal. You can do that deal, and then you can also do a different scenario too if you guys like to stock up on that stuff. So they're $1.99. We do have a buy two get one free coupon that came out in the 4-7 red plum. You guys want to use that coupon, you guys would end up paying $3.98 for 3 of them, or just $1.32 a piece. So you guys, if you really need to stock up, I know a lot of people love those things, go for that. Then you got the Starburst jelly beans right here for $1.99. Now we do have $1 off a 2 coupon from the 3/31 retail me not, or yeah, that comes out to be just $2.98 or $1.49 a piece. We also have, I'm going to skip right here, we're going to have some nice storage bags. So they are the trash bags and the like food storage bags. So there's like 4 different kinds you guys can choose from. Now those are $2.79. That's the normal price is what they charge for those. But they have a sale where if you buy one, you get 2 free. So you guys would pay $2.79 for all 3 of them, which comes out to be just 93 cents a piece. I bought the trash bags, which I actually want to get some more because we use those for like putting dirty diapers and stuff in, so I'm going to definitely get some of that stuff. Then they got M&Ms right here. We're going to go back to over here. They are going to be 2 for $4. Now there is a $1 off a 2 coupon, or okay, they're actually going to be 2 for $5 maybe, and then with the $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet it makes it 2 for $4. It's confusing. It just says with, I don't know. But then we also have a $1 each coupon in the 310 retail me not. So those most likely will become $1 a piece if you guys are interested in that. Nothing else. This is the back page and this is the front page. They've been doing it backwards now. But here we got an easy freebie if you guys can't see it. The Colgate toothpaste is $3.99. We're getting $2 off coupons in the Sunday's paper, making them $1.99 each. You guys buy 2 of them, you get 4,000 points. That comes out to be free, so you end up getting 2 tubes of toothpaste absolutely free. So if I were you, if you guys see places that if you guys want to stock up on toothpaste, go for that. I always say you should never pay for toothpaste, and if you do, you know, it all depends on the situation. So that is going to be a free item and easy. Now here they got a lot of cooking supplies. They got salt and baking soda for 89 cents if you guys are interested in stuff like that. Syrup $3.99. They do have General Mills cereal $1.99, which I think we have some coupons for that, but I did not look into that. A lot of Easter candy is going to be going on sale, just because Easter is pretty much that Sunday after this ad ends. More candy, more deals. Nothing really popping out. Jello 2 for $1 if you guys want to make some Jello jigglers, if the people even do that anymore. Lots of food deals. Lots of food deals. I really don't shop around at Walgreens for food, but sometimes you should. You never know. And then here is a good deal. The Dixie plates are the Dixie plates and the Vanity Fair napkins are buy one get one 50% off. Now there's going to be $1 off a 2 coupon in the Sunday's paper. Plus sometimes there's deals that are going on Savings Star, so I usually like to stock up on that. I do think we do have 50% off coupons for Vanity Fair that are available right now. So if you guys want to use that, just depending on what coupon we get and what coupons we already have. Now we're in the cleaning supply products. Now a lot of the P&G coupons have already expired by Sunday, so can't do a lot of these deals, but I don't really see anything here. The Lysol is buy one get one free. Now we do have some coupons that you guys can use for the Lysol. I think there actually is a 7th generation coupon also on coupons.com to print, so if you guys are interested in some of that, there are some coupons that you guys can use. Now we're back to the Easter deals again. They do have Hot Wheels for 79 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal. I definitely like to stock up on Hot Wheels cars around this time because my son is obsessed with them, and they're great stocking stuffers. Easter basket stuffers, I guess, for that stuff. My husband, I hate doing videos right next to him because he makes fun of me. Okay, so now the BIC is going to be buy one, get one 50% off. There's going to be supposedly $2 off coupons in these Sunday's papers. If you guys have it, if you buy two, you get 4,000 points. Now, there was some digital coupons to make it an awesome moneymaker if you guys still have those. I have like one other digital coupon that I can use, so we got that. It looks like toothbrushes and mouthwash were also getting $2 off coupons for that, so it's going to be a great time to get Colgate coupons if you guys look into that ahead of time. Arm & Hammer deodorant is going to be 99 cents, no coupons needed, so if you guys are brand loyal, go for that. Now here they got some makeup. Almay is going to be 40% off. Now I do know we have some coupons for it, plus in the Walgreens booklet there's coupons, I think for like 5 off of 2, so there might be some good deals with that. But otherwise nothing really popping out with me at like all the personal care products, because mostly all that stuff is buy two get the third one free. So, and here we got Crest mouthwash, toothpaste, and toothbrushes. Now the P&G will end, so we will have digital coupons for $1 off. I would kind of skip on this deal unless you guys want this, but you guys would buy all 3 of them. Use 3 digital coupons, one for each one. Pay $8.97. You get a $6 registry reward for buying 3 of them. Comes out to be just $2.97 or just 99 cents a piece. So not the greatest deal, but hey. And then we got some of the shave stuff is buy one get one 50% off, and then you get a $5 registry reward when you buy 2. I can't remember what the Venus shave stuff is for price wise, but that might be a pretty good deal. We'll have to definitely check that out on that. Olay is 2 for $11. If you buy 4, you get a $5 registry reward. Now we do have a digital coupon that's available, but I think it ends this week, so giving you a heads up with that. There's this Crest deal. Again, not the greatest deal. Nothing really popping out. Medicines, nothing. Vitamins are always like buy one get one free, and that is it. And so that is the end of the ad. Not really a good deal, but hey, there might be some point boosters for you guys. I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.